Unlock the secret to effortlessly launching your print-on-demand empire with Nano Banana. First, let's talk about your artwork. Nano Banana excels with high-resolution images. Aim for at least 300 dpi to ensure crisp, professional prints. Think in terms of PNG files with transparent backgrounds. This is crucial for placing your unique designs onto various product templates smoothly. To keep your designs from looking blurry or pixelated, optimize them for the product. Most print-on-demand platforms have specific resolution and dimension recommendations. Nano Banana's tools help you visualize how your design will appear across different items, ensuring it scales perfectly without losing detail. Now, let's connect Nano Banana to your chosen print-on-demand platform. Navigate to the integration settings here. You'll find seamless connections to popular services. Simply follow the prompts to link your accounts. Once connected, uploading your prepared designs becomes a breeze. Nano Banana allows you to upload your optimized graphics directly. You can then select the products A circumflex euros, from t-shirts and mugs to tote bags A circumflex euros, where you want your designs to appear. After you've matched your designs to your desired products, the final step is to publish or sync. Nano Banana streamlines this process, pushing your creations to your connected print-on-demand store, ready for customers to discover and purchase. And that's it. Nano Banana empowers you to create, optimize, and sell your customized products with unparalleled efficiency, turning your creative vision into tangible merchandise. Start selling today.